Sunnah Seeds!
Okay, moon hunters, Ramadan prep list time. If we do this right, Ramadan will be amazing, inshallah.
Aye, Captain.
Do we get snacks if we finish?
We get rewards from Allah for good deeds based on our sincerity. What should we do to prepare for Ramadan?
Buy 500 samosas.
Ramadan isn't a snack festival. It's about closest to Allah, not closest to food.
Become a Ramadan superhero.
Yes, if our superpower is good character. Do number 1. Make the right intention. Niyyah.
Nia. Is that a new app?
It means we decide in our heart, I'm fasting for Allah.
For Allah and also for iftar?
For Allah only. And remember, this should be the first thing before we begin anything and everything, only and only for Allah. Second, pray more and make dua. Ramadan multiplies rewards many times, and duas of the fasting person are accepted.
Ya Allah, make my homework disappear.
Nice try. Make dua for goodness, forgiveness, happiness, family, and Jannah. Do number 3. Be kind and help at home.
I will help right now.
I've been attacked by kindness.
Helping means chores. Set the table, clean toys, and help parents. Now, don'ts. What should we not do in Ramadan?
Don't smell biryani.
Don't look at cookies.
Don't number 1. Don't overeat or overdrink. Eat balanced and healthy food at iftar.
So, no mountain of samosas?
Nope. Small plate, healthy choices. Don't number 2. Avoid negative behavior. No gossip, backbiting, lying, fighting, or bad language. When you feel angry, change your posture.
Run away?
Scream into a pillow?
If you are standing, sit down. If that doesn't help, then lie down. Or even making wudu helps too. Don't number 3. Don't waste time. No excessive social media, TV, or sleeping. Focus on spiritual growth.
Ramadan has anti-screen rules?
What if I'm watching Sunnah Seeds?
Educational is okay, but not all day.
So good deeds and sleep?
Yes, but not oversleeping. Every second counts. Our Ramadan prep list is ready.
Remember, good intentions and lots of ibadah.
And a little fun too.
Kind hearts and kind hands. That's Ramadan.